Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 best plants for loamy soil. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Loam soil is made up of natural clay, sand and loam particles in various concentrations. Clay soil comprises clay particles and offers an unfavorable growing environment for most plants. Loamy soil is made up of clay, silt and sand in fairly equal amounts. The soil allows water to drain easily, holds just the right amount of moisture for plants to thrive, and allows air to seep through. Well, here are top 10 plants for loamy soil. Number 1. Pulmonaria. Pulmonaria is tolerant of shade as well as being one of the top perennial plants for clay soil. This spring-flowering, low-growing perennial is a good source of food for early bees. Its cheerful blue flowers make beautiful accompaniments to daffodils in spring. The distinctive dotty foliage can be refreshed if you cut it back in early summer. Number 2. Blanket flower. Not only is blanket flower bright and cheery, it's one tough plant. Tolerant of drought and a variety of soil conditions, including those on the sandier side, this is a standout in any sunny summer garden. Number 3. Aster. Asters are late flowering perennials that take your garden through to frost. The plants can thrive in clay soil, though they do need good drainage. If you have heavy clay, consider planting in a raised bed or double digging the soil. Number 4. Magnolias. Like neutral to acid soils, and are adaptable enough to grow in any moist, well-drained loam. Those with clay or silt soils should improve their soil to stop it getting waterlogged. Number 5. Honeysuckle. A sweetly scented honeysuckle is a true summer treat, and this species of honeysuckle will grow well on clay soil. A scented climber is always a memorable plant, the perfume easy to access, especially if you grow it by your front door. The variety Serentina has flowers that display a vivid deep red coloring. Number 6. Bearded iris. With thousands of varieties, this incredible perennial comes in every color of the rainbow. They're tolerant of many soil types, multiply readily so you can transplant elsewhere in your garden or share with friends, and are low-maintenance bloomers that flower from spring to early summer, depending on where you live. Number 7. Goldenrod. Known for its bright yellow flower spikes, goldenrod lights up gardens when it blooms in late summer to fall. It's very attractive to bees and butterflies and also makes for a good cut flower. While goldenrods are generally tolerant of clay, they can grow up to 5 feet tall. Crown of rays is just as pretty, but stays more compact at 2 feet tall. Number 8. Smooth hydrangea. You can grow hydrangeas even in clay soil. In fact, smooth hydrangeas, also known as Annabelle hydrangeas, are native to North America and grow naturally in very heavy clay soils without a problem. Number 9. Sedum. Sedum is a hardy succulent that can be used as ground cover. It can grow without much water, in poor soil, and in intense sun and heat. These plants have flowers in shades of pink, and they grow best in zones 3 through 10. Number 10. Baptisia. Baptisia, or false indigo, is a large clumping perennial with dense foliage and spring blooms in blue, white or soft yellow. This sun-loving legume thrives in clay and adds nitrogen to the soil as well. That's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you next time.